Okay guys, completely random. This is exactly why I wanted to come to Shibuya. This is sick. I was literally just standing there and these cars came out of nowhere. So let's go for a walk. Completely random. Look at all their exhaust systems. Okay guys, I hear some more revving here. Whenever you hear exhaust, some good shit's gonna come. Bring the glow back, guys. Neons, bring it back, please. Please, North America. Don't make me be the one. Actually, I'll be the one to bring it back. Sick. Alpina, I don't think so, but maybe. This is sick. I hear something. Oh, that's sick. That is sick. Oh, you JDM lovers, tell me what this is. Sick. Bring the glow back. Thank you, Japan. Thank you. Liberty Walk. Woo! There we go. That is beautiful. No, he's a local, babe. Yeah, babe. You don't know. My wife appreciate. There we go. The smell, I cannot tell you guys. This smell is amazing. I wish well, we can't smell the Fast and Furious, but I wish the camera could. There we go. We just came out of having some food and some drinks. And this kind of happened randomly and naturally. Oh man, look at the 300. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That is completely quiet and humble. On BBS's probably. That is amazing. That is a clean 300 right there. Yep. Maserati, stock, all good. And this is the reason why you guys gotta come out to Japan. Obviously certain times of the year, but if you guys like what I'm doing here and you guys truly enjoy it, let me know and maybe next year we can organize a trip. I'll be able to organize it for you guys to come out here and just have a blast. This is amazing. Let's go out and see if we can just find some more random cars. Kampai! People are going wild. They're taking pictures, dancing in the middle. What am I catching? I'm not the only one with the camera here, guys. To all my JDM lovers, I hope you see what's out there. Yeah, what? That's not a Prius anymore.
I was drag racing. I'm a drag racer.
You were drag racing? In a Prius?
Oh shit, what the fuck? I'm telling you guys, bring the glow back, please. We got this Scion, it's a Toyota here, but what is it, a Scion B, RZ at home, BRZ, not sure. Skyline here, that is beautiful.
Yeah, this is where they all were lined up.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is home. Thank you. Thank you. needs to get his rev limiter deleted, I can do it for you. We're gonna go find a bar somewhere, have a couple of drinks, go back, hopefully get some more car content. So we walked into a completely random bar, gonna have a couple of drinks here. Looks pretty dope. Check this out. You can smoke here too. Okay. Hey guys, so an interesting thing here I wanted to let you know if you guys have never been to Japan. There's a lot of places you can actually smoke inside quite a bit. Now I think they're cutting down right now, but you should not and you cannot smoke outside. Or hear some exhaust sounds. They have designated areas to smoke outside, so it's a little bit weird in a sense that you can smoke inside while people are eating and drinking, but you cannot step out of a restaurant and smoke. It's a big no. You gotta walk down and you actually gotta find a designated smoking area. So just heads up, if you guys are ever here, do not smoke and walk in the street. Guys, so this is right before the underground meet. I got to meet Siro-san. He's invited me to this event, and this is just surreal. Look how beautiful this car is. Look at this wide body. Oh my god, this is Tokyo Tower. Look at the BBSs. Just gorgeous. Just everything about this car really, really suits. Wrapped in Pilot Sports. Look at the plate. Video does not do justice, guys. I'll tell you that much. Video does not do justice. Yep. Yeah, it's a private event. No. It's a well-organized private event.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at the E30. This is just crazy. Hope you enjoy this. this is one of the classics. Here goes our boy Siro. Guess there's gonna be a party tonight. We got some nice music. It's gonna be popping out of here. Okay, as you guys can see, they don't really do much to engines here. They are great looking, but it is old stock here. Very clean engine bay though. We also have a little rave going on here. Told you guys music would be pumping. Guys, and just like that, the night is done. I recorded as much as I could before it got too crazy. Siro-san was kind enough to have me and to invite me to this event. We drove out, there was tons of people taking pictures, videos. What a great event this was. I'll definitely be back here and look at Siro-san's plate. This is his brand new tow truck he just got. I think he said a couple months ago. This thing is just mint. Well, there you guys have it. It's end of day one. Full day in Tokyo. Only a couple hours at the auto salon, but the meet was insane. There's a lot of big names in that meet. Great time overall. Siro-san, thank you so much for having me, for inviting me to this event. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Matane. See you guys tomorrow.